Going up the stairs. Well, part of the stairs. Oh man.
So we had our well drilled yesterday.
If you're new here, I'm Megan and this is Beau and our daughter Beckett. For 10 months now, we've been living on our land in northeastern Washington while building a shop house. We've had our struggles and we didn't pass inspection. And we've had our successes along the way. But each day we are closer to moving in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to join us on this wild ride. Good morning. So I have already gotten more floor protection board laid down. We've already went through, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 7 rolls of this stuff and I'm not done yet. I still have a chunk in this room to do and part of the pantry to do. And then I did get the door in the boiler room framed. Grabbing the push broom now. One of our garage doors is open because we have a special delivery. Are you so excited to see what it is? Our stairs have arrived. I cannot wait to see them. Be able to get the stairs in the garage door. They're too long. We're just gonna put them on the skid steer forks and then Beau and I can figure it out later. So excited about these stairs, you guys. Not that the scissor lift isn't awesome, because it totally is, but it's just, it seems like progress. I love progress, right? Momentum on the ground. Look, I can't, my feet are gonna slip. We've used your little contraption here, I think more than you intended.
Go to the right. Go that way.
You roll. Come on, babe.
Get your butt over here right now. So what were we thinking here? I got this plate for the stairs for the, and then did you send bolts for the connection by chance? God damn it, Joe! Well, except everything that I need to hang it up on the f***ing wall. Okay, so we're gonna go 2 feet, because that's half of 4 feet, you see. We'll go a ½ inch for drywall, and then maybe an inch gap from the stairs to the wall.
Okay.
How does that sound?
Okay.
Does that sound just frickin' peachy to you, man?
Sure.
Just frickin' peachy?
Frickin' peachy.
Frickin' peachy.
So much for powder coating that.
You'll never see it. Quit shaking the boat!
How are you gonna bolt it on once it's up? Oh, I guess the bolts will go from this side. I was thinking it would go this way.
Hold that right there.
These are giant bolts. Move it.
Yeah. Okay, so you're gonna get sparks. Don't jerk away or you're gonna drop this.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Eyes closed.
I'm not looking.
Make up out.
I like my short shirt. That's my work flannel.
You let go.
I can?
Yep. Let go. my God.
That wasn't very much. Would you like me to open it for you?
Yeah, can't grab it with my things.
I got big old thick gloves on.
2 3/8. If you look down this, does it look like it comes out right here?
Yeah, it looks like it has a bow to it.
Yeah, but it's just like from here to here though, right?
Yeah, it's not the whole way down.
Okay, so let me tack this side then. Son of a!
That little lathe level, man.
I need it.
Seen better days.
Megan dropped the level.
I did not.
Give you a shot of what we're doing here. So we had this plate made, and they made it just so we can weld it onto this existing beam, and then we'll bolt the stairs onto here. So I'm just leveling it up. Always.
Is this level or plumb?
That was level. This is plumba.
Okay.
And when you tack something, it'll shrink. So you'll want to like bring it a touch past, because as the weld cools, it shrinks and it'll draw it in.
That welding coat you're wearing has seen some days, man.
This old baby here has made me a lot of dollar bills.
You look so redneck with your helmet on.
My helmet, my boots are ish.
Yeah.
My shirt all tore up.
You just need to spit some chew. Gross.
Okay, I'm gonna put a couple good tacks on here, and I think we test fit it again.
Okay.
Cause I'd hate to weld the whole damn thing out. Then the mother be wrong.
Better be safe than sorry.
That's it, she's not going anywhere. So if you stick your rod like that, and then you don't unhook your stinger, you'll heat this rod up till it'll actually turn glowing red. But if you stick it, rather than trying to rip it off and spark everything up, just unhook it from your stinger, and then wait a second, let the rod cool back down, and then you can kind of break it off. Sometimes you can save the flux, but sometimes if you don't wait long enough, the flux breaks off and you got this big exposed electrode, and that'll just cause you issues. So all right, clean up all our rod stubs here. A friend of mine worked in a nuclear plant, and you had to bring back every one of your rod stubs that you checked out. If you didn't, they'd like shut the job down and go search for it. All right, show you kind of what we did here. Like I said, I'm not proud of this, but it'll do what it needs to. This side ended up worse. Not great. I'll probably get a die grinder in there later and clean it up. But it's gonna be plenty strong to hold these stairs. And the stairs, they're gonna be kind of wedged into that anyways, so it's not like the full weight's hanging on it. Even if it was, that's enough weld to hold it, but you know, you're technically only supporting half of it anyways, because the other half's on the ground, plus you have the friction of it pushing against the beam, so she's not going anywhere. We did leave the tubing out down there, so we have plenty of safe area to drill and hilti in. I don't have that drill bit with me, so we might have to take these back down. But anyways, I wanted to get them up so we can use them. It's kind of a pain in the butt using this scissor lift for everything.
Going up the stairs. Well, part of the stairs. Oh man.
Oh man, first shot.
Oh, the bottom one? Yeah. Does it go a certain direction?
Yeah, on.
It doesn't matter which way it goes.
We're gonna have to take these top ones out.
Why?
Because you can't tighten the bottom ones. So I'm gonna go lift up, and you need to tighten this one when this is lined up. Okay?
Just tighten it right here.
Yep.
Okay. It is Daddy's office. Say what?
It's gonna screw you.
In that back corner. Yep.
You don't really want the thing resting on the bolt. You want the bolts to be able to come in and out freely. And then the friction of the bolts pinching the plates to be holding it rather than the shear strength.
Right. Ooh, that's kind of creepy. I don't know.
You wanna come down, Dad?
Just focus on what you're doing. Still be staring right at it. We can hit it
We have
with
to do something right here.
I might put a cap here or something.
I did it, Mom.
Why'd you make bad welds?
Shut up, Mo.
Good
Tighten
job,
the bolt.
Go to the bottom? Okay, so up was loosened, so down was tightened.
Rolled up. Love you. Awkward position I've ever seen a human stay in.
My legs going.
Move your thumb a little. Push with me. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'll do it. Good work. Now we gotta take it off.
That's not funny. Do you have the other nut?
Yeah, I'm married to it. You like that one?
Ew! Gross. What do those weird things do?
Lock washers.
A what?
It's called a lock washer. It'll just eliminate it from ever being able to
Slip?
back off.
Oh, it's on.
Yeah, because it's going to see so much vibration.
Right.
And I'll probably end up
So
gulling.
it digs into the threads?
I'll probably end up gulling the threads.
What does gulling a thread mean?
It'll just mess the threads up so the nut can never back off. But really, once it's
Really?
tilted into the concrete, it can never go that way.
Gotcha. How do we attach it to the concrete?
Gotta drill holes in it and have expansion bolts.
They go in and expand into the concrete?
Yeah, when you tighten them, they get bigger, so they don't pull up.
I'm gonna pop a grape and use that.
See that? That's not good. So just take it, put it on there, and move it back and forth, and then pull that at the same time. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. Nice work, Mama! Get our jackal, our welding hood. Finished product.
We officially have scales.
I think I'll make a little cap right here. it just kind of sits there, tack on, or it might have a little expansion to hold it on there. Just to hide that. It was so hard to get that weld in there, and it looks like
I was gonna put this on my head to carry it.
shit.
It's too big.
You're what?
I was gonna put that on my head to carry it. Too big.
It's because I have more brains in my head, so my head's bigger. I think they look killer.
I will be super excited to see what they look like with the real wood.
Especially with a light colored wood.
Shreds, yeah.
Whatever.
So this right here is our wood temporary. And it's just nasty wood, but it's gonna be our temporary treads until our nice ones are on. But there it is in theory.
Except our treads are 3 inches thick, so it'll be more like.
So they're 3 inches thick and 4 feet long. So they're gonna be nice, big, giant stairs. That's gonna look so cool.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I like it.
What do you think, Beckett Lee? Do you like the stairs?
We're in this weird toddler phase where we make noises instead of talking. We're not quite sure.
Kids are so weird. If it wasn't mine, I'd probably. I'm tired. I'm ready for a whiskey.
We got, let's see, I laid more floorboard today, framed in another wall, put in a door frame, and we got our stairs up. So it wasn't a
No, you did good.
worthless day. Ooh, ouch. And he was busy all day, so I actually got some editing done. But we're gonna call it an evening and we'll catch you later.
Thanks. I've been in construction many years, ladies and gentlemen, and I have never seen this technique.
You try screwing these things in.
Is it a downward dog? I'm not sure what is happening here.
Our electrical reinspection is today. We have a plumbing inspection and a framing inspection tomorrow.